you doing, guys? Alright, today we have a Nikon D3400 with an 18-55mm lens. Alright, some features are a snap bridge Bluetooth connectivity, 24.2 megapixel DX format, CMOS sensor, XP4 image processor, native ISO 100 to 25600, 5 FPS shooting. Alright, let's take a look at the camera now. Just take the lens off over here. As you can see, it's a Nikon cap. You have to pinch to remove. Alright, let's put her on now. Let's reach over here. It's a slide button kind of power on button. As you can see, if you slide it to the right, it goes on and off on you. Slide it to the left. To light up your screen, just push the LV button right here and it will prompt you to do a rotation of your zoom ring. You can then set your iris and aperture and etc. here. That's pretty in your face kind of display here. Alright, after that's set, guys, you have the aperture and everything set. You just press the LV button again and it will put you in picture mode here to take videos or pictures. But I have no memory card, as you can see, so we'll try our best to show you how it is. Using the turn wheel on top here, as you can tell, you can go on night vision setting here, super vivid pop, photo illustration. You also have toy camera effect, so miniature effect, selective color, silhouette, and all kinds of effects like that. Pressing the information button here gets you to your image quality pop-up menu. Every one of these has its own menu when you press on it. So fine has its own menu, image size has its own menu, white balance, you can all set that. As soon as you press OK, you go into it and you can all adjust. For example, the flash controller and the ISO controller right here. So yeah, you can click on there and you can set it. And let's go into menu. Pressing the info button once again. Alright, this is the playback menu. Playback display options, auto, rotate, rotate tall, it's all in here. Here in the shooting menu, as you can see, there's the reset shooting menu, image quality, image size, ISO sensitivity, and all the awesome little things here. Now to switch over to the other sections here, you have to go left and right, as you can see here. So now we're in the setup menu, and now retouch menu. So once you're done all your settings here, you go through everything, make sure you have everything the way you want it, and then you press menu, and you're ready to go. Alright, so as soon as you're ready to that, you just press the LV and you're ready to shoot. If you had your memory card run on the side here, which just fits your standard card, you would see all your pictures and videos you have taken. Okay, so batteries underneath here. Standard battery slot here on the bottom, just push and pull down. And here should be written at the bottom here. There's a nice little tab to pull, just like that. As you can see, it's a 7.2 volt, 1230 milliamp hours battery here, rechargeable, lithium ion. Snapping back in there, the door closes automatically, you don't have to press anything. Alright, on the side here you have your HDMI plug-in and your micro SD. So the HDMI is the bottom and the micro SD on top here. Alright, moving to the top now, you see you have little hoops for a strap. So yes, you can put straps on this camera. And you have some different functionalities for the flashes on top here as well. Alright guys, let's move on top here. You have your slide here for an external flash you want to put on there. And that's it, guys. I got some still frames for you at the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this channel. Have a good one, guys.